Today's Read Aloud is a book from one of my favorite series, the Elephant and Piggy series. And these books are written by Willems. He's the same author that also writes all those pigeon books. Like Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, those books. This one is called The Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Oh my gosh, he sneezed so hard that he blew Piggy right off the ground. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! Man. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. And they're best friends. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. But you know what's coming next. Choo! Little one that time. Goodbye. Gerald! This little cat has a question mark like, wonder what's going on. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think that pigs make you sneeze, and I do not think that cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Usually people aren't very happy when they're sick. Why do you think Gerald's so happy that he's sick? Could it be because that means he's not allergic to his best friend? Oh, thank you, Doctor! Piggy! Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Why do you think Piggy doesn't look very excited? You see all the tissues? I think when Gerald sneezed all the time, do you think maybe Piggy caught his cold? That's why it's important when you sneeze to always cover your mouth. Instead of using your hand when you sneeze, because once you sneeze in your hand, then you touch other things, we call it the Dracula sneeze, and you're pretending you're bringing your cape over your mouth, and you go, choo! Or you can go, you can cough that way too. One of my other favorite things about these Elephant and Piggy books are in the very back cover, Willems always has the same pattern, except he throws in one pigeon. See if you can find the pigeon in this one.